Hello friends, I am Professor Anand More from More Classes Commerce. I conduct CA coaching in partnership with Professor Kaustubh Atre at Pune. A couple of days ago, while discussing with Kaustubh sir, I came to know about the confusion in students community regarding new rules for entry to CA Foundation course. ICAI had changed the rules of entry to CA Foundation course on 13th October 2020. Why the rules are changed can be told only by ICAI. So I am not attempting to discuss the same. I am here to discuss only the implication of the change and how students should use the new rule for their benefit. If you visit the website of ICAI on www.icai.org, then under the student section, under foundation course, you can see this announcement dated 13th of October 2020. The announcement talks about provisional registration to the foundation course after class 10th result. The first part of the announcement specifies that a student can enroll for CA Foundation course after passing class 10th examination, and it will be called as a provisional registration. The second part of the notification talks about eligibility criteria for appearing in foundation examination. It is given in two different points, point A and point B. Point A we will consider afterwards. Point B is important. It states students should have appeared in senior secondary, that is 10+2 examination. So the notification specifies two different parts. First part is when can you register? After clearing class 10th examination. And when can you give examination? After appearing 10+2 examination. So these are the two different important points of this notification. Let us consider the implication of these points in the next slide. Based on previous slide, we can prepare a list of the things we can't do and the things we can do under the new notification. What we can't do is registration for CA Foundation course before passing 10th standard exam is not allowed. Similarly, appearing for CA Foundation exam before appearing for 12th standard exam is not allowed. In other words, you can register for CA Foundation course at any time after passing 10th standard exam, and you can appear for CA Foundation exam in either May or November month after appearing for 12th standard exam. So the starting point for CA Foundation registration is common for all. It is at any time after 10th standard results. But the ending point is not common. It depends upon when you wish to appear for CA Foundation exam. The CA Foundation course exams are conducted twice in a year, May and November. You can choose any one of these 2 months to appear for CA Foundation course exams. ICAI rules state that you should be registered at least 4 months before the exam. So to appear for CA Foundation exam in the month of May after your 12th exam, you should complete your registration on or before 1st January of that year. And to appear for CA Foundation course exam in the month of November after your 12th exam, you should complete your registration on or before 1st July of that year. Next question obviously is, which one is better, May or November? Certainly, May is better, as it saves your time and accelerates your journey to become chartered accountant. Under the old rule, students had no choice but to appear for exam in November. By way of notification dated 13th October 2020, ICAI has allowed the students to appear for CA Foundation exam in May immediately after 12th exam. It means ICAI is enabling you to save 6 months of your life in your journey to become chartered accountant. Don't miss this opportunity. I hope now you have made up your mind to give exam in May. So what you should do now? That depends upon what are you studying just now. Let me consider 3 different cases. In October 2020, that is this month, if you are studying in 10th standard, then your earliest CA Foundation exam attempt will be in May 2023. And your latest date for CA Foundation registration will be 1st January 2023. You can't register for CA Foundation at present. So focus on your studies of 10th standard. After results of 10th standard are declared, don't waste any time. Register online for CA Foundation course on ICAI website. Now if you are studying in 11th standard, in the month of October now, then your earliest CA Foundation course examination attempt will be in May 2022. Your latest date for CA Foundation course registration will be 1st of January 2022. The registration for CA Foundation course is already open for you now. So don't waste any time. Register online for CA Foundation course on ICAI website and join a good class for CA Foundation course. If you are in and around Pune, do join our partner Ambition Commerce Institute Private Limited for getting best results. And now the last one, that is in the month of October, if you are studying in 12th standard. Your earliest CA Foundation course exam attempt will be in May 2021, that is next year. Your latest date for CA Foundation course registration will be 1st of January 2021. Registration for CA Foundation course is open for you now, so don't waste any time. Register online for CA Foundation course on ICAI website on or before 31st December 2020. To avoid last minute rush, I would recommend you to complete the formalities in November 2020 itself. Please note that although there is a change in the registration date and you can give the exam 6 months early, it does not mean there is any change in the syllabus or marks or number of subjects or weightage for each subject or passing percentage or registration fees or exam fees. Nothing else has changed. Only thing what is done is allowing you to appear for the exam 6 months early. Still, if you have any more doubts, ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to solve it or answer it as early as possible. Thank you very much and all the best for your exam.